What's up?
3, 2, 1, go.
What's up, bitch?
Yeah, Turkiana says it cocky. It's been quantum months now.
I know! It's been a while.
It's been a
let me
while,
get back into this.
But we'll just get into it again.
Let me get back
Let's
into this.
try.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1,
Jaya.
go. What's up,
bitch?
Petite Fam?
Welcome back to the channel.
Wow!
I welcome a step into it.
Gimana?
I welcome a step back into it. You want to tell me.
How to do things.
You want to talk to me about things that I have to do.
If you
Rubbish!
Talk to me directly. Don't go to the comments. Okay, I want to see.
Alright,
Listen.
listen.
3, 2, 1, let's go. What's up, Petite Fam?
Welcome back to the channel.
And welcome to the premiere of Kibodi Season 2.
Larda. Hold on. Hola. Let me get comfortable. Okay.
Hey, you know what? Like, it's been too long.
It's been too long.
First of all, I haven't grabbed my camera in 2 months. But like, we haven't filmed since those been.
That was last year. Normal. You don't have to come at me like that. It's okay. It's okay. Let me make my mistakes. No, but it's been a while.
Like, it's been. We miss y'all. First
Yeah,
of
we
all,
did.
trust and believe.
We did.
We miss y'all.
So,
Pero,
no, it's been a while. Me quiere. Canal no tiene que ter mes like we.
это estranho.
Sí.
Mientras hace busca,
Exactly.
when it's really that throwback, when the bind, right, it's going like that, right.
Wow, okay. No, it's about the difference. So, no sé tipo setting up and all that.
And the setting
I'm just
up that-
normal.
Otro.
It's different. I don't know if you noticed the elephant
In the room.
I don't know, you know.
Yeah.
But we kind of did a little something. A little change.
Si kasama mira,
Sad.
Kibodi, yung logo novo.
Sad.
Shout out to Dani, by the
Shout
way.
out to
Shout
you.
out to Dani.
She did a great job.
Mana, we've been, nothing is not on us.
Sad, exactly. Let's take it back.
Let's take it back. Sad. Like,
Sad.
where have you been? Actually, where have I been?
Where have you been? Remember, the community has been asking for you. They've been looking for you. They've been texting, tipping, tapping for you.
I know.
What's going on?
Like, now, y'all, I'm in a better place. I'm doing way better.
Yeah.
Mentally, I was just not there. I was checked out.
Yeah.
So, ano din si phone tempo mesmo, ah?
Sad.
Ano me dikira eko ida tabo bigrani Voral, obviously community, pero from black community in itself. Pero we have come a long way from name. Acknowledge it and then bring awareness to it. Pero it's still a taboo, like, oh, and eko ida mi problema, like, I feel like because I'm, I don't like using the word, but influencer, but I like to use content creator. Influencer / YouTuber.
Yeah.
Hope we are consistent until.
Yeah. Is that pressure?
Instagram, bumeme, honestly. I don't like it. Pero
that's a whole nother
Instagram
convo.
and the algorithm and everything, but it's a consistent publicity result. It just works like that. But it is, you know, you really missing a boxy. Like, I'm gonna put myself first. I'm gonna be extra petite, as I told y'all.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna focus on me because you know, pati as nigga with Instagram.
True.
Doing this,
Being
you know.
present and just being. Basta if Costa, we all took off running. You know, we left the pandemic and the thing like, yo, this is gonna be our year. I'm gonna start Let's go.
Full speed, and
Sam, you're leaving yourself behind. You took off running, but where you at?
Right.
Keep on in. Let's talk about that one.
Right.
But no. I think it's good that you took some time for yourself.
Yeah, definitely. And the waki, may get it na may una goes to the many difficult. And I think Asina naman finding balance. Then in university, like most of y'all know, I got a new house, you know, and like
she's
work.
Leaving. My sister is leaving.
Work is on a different level. Kibodi is on a different level.
Yeah.
And honestly, like, I don't want to, I think Aldair, I had a conversation with Aldair, shout out to Aldair. I had a conversation with her, and it got to be something like, wow, you're not just that YouTuber girl. Like, you're not just a vlogger that just vlog.
Yeah.
Like, and like, what I'm just thinking my brain when we were talking, becoming like, that is so true. Like, I don't just bring content just to bring out content and the I say, like, siempre si we bring something like, I put my all in it.
Yeah.
And then if I feel like I need a break, find me back. And y'all know when I take my hiatus, things like this happen.
Yeah.
Right?
That's a good time.
Right.
Good time.
And you had some time off too,
I
sir.
did. Well,
because everybody, you talking about my community, your community, Nevada's photo roll. Hey, everybody say with me, hey, Instagram.
Stop.
Right.
Okay.
Sir.
You don't put me on blast like that. All right. It's okay. No, but see, no, it's been busy. I've been busy, very, very busy. Of course, school kicked in like crazy. Internship has been packing, pero
being famous.
Talk about it.
Because
Because he's just saying,
no,
nostalgia. You're working with people. Let's be honest.
Yeah, no, but I am so grateful to be in that position. Like, it would be out, what I'm like,
it's unreal.
It is unreal. To be able to take it in and be like, yo, I get to do this.
Yeah.
So,
and like that is like the thing. I have to go. I see it, and then I kind of hit like a clash moment or something.
Yeah.
But then I sit into like, oh, I have a new house. Like I wanted to feel like, oh my god, you guys see this? Like you didn't get a chance, and I think same for Abba. Like you didn't really get the chance to, balance it out and sit in that moment.
Yeah. So I think it's going to be important for me to sit and just be aware of where I'm at and appreciate it. So the moment that will fly by. Like, when it gets stressful, we all know it gets hella stressful and you forget all about it, but we don't.
You know that, does that because you?
She made my phone be blown up. Listen, this battery is dead.
Not like that. You ain't got it like that.
Battery is hot, people.
No,
I see it, okay? We know I'm struggling. With the battery.
Clearly.
Yeah, crowdfunding, Martina.
Kaya divisa.
Kung blagos mo na take.
Bosa, kino sa doyo?
Ito manis o donyo. No, Jap. Stop.
Speaking of, no, pero
Lots feel like the phone calls and the thing about like, mental health and all of that and stressful moments.
Yeah.
We have been talking a lot. Dicky would be kidding me. Like we have been like this didn't take like a day or two.
Nope. This was a lot of back and forths. It did not start like this. I mean, it sounded good.
It was not this. Like, shout out to Donique for talking. Like, shout out for her patience. Okay, that coming who knows.
But also able to understand the to see like what we wanted to
see. And then still on your life we doing it like
sad.
And what's that in the comments or something? Like it gives y'all like on TV show type of level and they're like. No, it's gonna bring it up a notch. And kidding me, it's season 2 aquí.
Like, then we bring it.
Let us know in the comments.
Are we bringing it?
Are we bringing it?
Or should we sit down?
Right.
Are we bringing it or should we bring it?
We're sitting down, but
you're right for that one. It's obvious. Pero
we finna go up.
We go up. Oh, let me not get copyrighted. Let us not get copyrighted because not this year, not in 2022.
But already, no se va a abrir season 2. No saque que tuvimos en season 2. And me que saque que tuvimos en season 2.
No.
Solamente si nos olvidamos tema anterior season 2 like challenges.
Sí, let's do one challenges.
A lot of challenges.
And a lot of collaborations, which I'm looking forward to.
One of your favorites. Let's just say that. Let's just say that. Right.
Let's just say that.
I'm excited for season 2. And the watermelon, we know we took a pause and we know that actually when the videos go wow, palabra, Jesus. When the video goes up, you did not have to let me out like that.
I got it. Go ahead. Window.
Oh, yung video, Sally.
Sabay
na aya, kung kino niya air. It's been a year. So na naman start really under like where it's going,
sad.
bro.
Sad. No, it really has been a year. Although But I think that when we say, "Oh, I'm doing it," okay, na may bike back, na papia, nila ng camera. Pero it goes bom taco nos comunidade, nos logra criar después. If forma que nós expect nos to come back and to support, like that makes it. It's
vital
stuff. Sí.
And the people like we don't like even though no see a camera like it's still like us.
Sí, but so the only extra thing are the lights.
Yeah.
And
the backdrop, the sofa, the pero like that's still the high important para cinta and just talk about where we've been, keep us on expect.
Yeah.
Before nos arranca sali.
Sí.
¿Está bom?
Sí, pero seguro que era venir.
Sam.
On Zoma, like this is what we do now.
Like keep us on the on the phone.
Heads up, not that.
Right. Let's see. Pero Keremi, like it's was happening in the season which it was.
No, season 1 was great.
Season 1 and then the support was amazing. Season 2 though. We're not even ready.
I don't think
be
we
honest.
are. No, I don't think we are.
No.
But so when I get it, it's going to try a few different things.
Right.
Different changes. You know, it's
Basta.
Sad. No, we're not ready. We're not ready.
Very excited.
Very much so.
Very excited.
Very much.
So we hope that y'all have missed us. We hope that it's support. So something support we can example. Pero like just go to season 2, episode 1 premiere.
Yeah.
That's just gonna be like a taste into the real season.
Nyapa, mas bisa na pimento.
A show for us by us.
A show for us
by us. I hope you guys missed us.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be back.
We're gonna be back.
We're gonna be back.
We really are.
And better.
Yeah.
And I cannot wait.
I'm excited. I'm excited for this.
Bro. I didn't even get us the freaking logo like.
No, and what?
The mic. Kima D?
We should bring this.
Oh, we finna bring it.
Oh,
let's just say that.
Let's just.
But what kind of sleep? Santo.
That's about it.
That's about it.
Before I break my NDA.
Right.
Let me not break the NDA.
Rumana, we hope was I mean, this was like a very chill talk. Like from the usual kibudi type of vibe.
Exactly.
But like we just wanted to sit down with y'all and talk. So we hope you guys are ready for season 2. Get your book already. I think we're gonna tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your doggy. Don't tell the cats because we don't like cats.
I'm not a cat person.
No.
Makes me
I'm sorry.
sneeze.
Right.
See.
False.
No.
No. I mean. Yeah, they didn't comment. Okay, and.
See, leave it in the comments. Kiss mo ka Mas kapag mo magkakaroon nila. Ila sa papo. No, it will look back until ayo. Pero, look, we are excited for season 2. Ang gusto na pawarda, tapos na wakin. Kung mo si subscribe, ano si ba unsubscribe, subscribe back.
Thank you.
Because we don't do that. Nasa wako unfollow. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Be back. Be back.
Kaos lang abira mo din.
Violation. Don't do that.
I didn't do nothing. Pero my followers na ba. So follow back. Follow back.
Hello.
Come back.
Let's be back.
Miyu perdi pinikas.
Season 2, y'all.
Season 2.
It's gonna be a good start.
It's gonna be a good start. Don't worry about it. We'll be back. Bye.
Oh, that was awkward. I was like, bye.
Alpia.
Mapia na vida?
No.
No kai.
Ito to lang.
Sapas ba on the side?
Right.
Kung di ba sabi when you go to the toilet though?
Elias, pare camera.
Ako te grabando!
That one is sure like to.
Why?